An ancient live animal trade network that traversed the Andes Mountains has been discovered from a collection of feathers. Ornaments made from colourful parrot feathers were found in a tomb that's more than 500 years old at the archaeological site of Pachacamac in Peru. But parrots don't live anywhere near the Peruvian coast, so where did these feathers come from? By extracting ancient DNA from the feathers, researchers were able to discover that they came from several species of parrot native to rainforests hundreds of miles away on the other side of the Andes. Chemical signatures in the feathers revealed that the diet of these parrots changed from what they typically have been eating in their rainforest habitat to things like maize and seafood, so basically what their human captors would have been eating. So these parrots were likely born in the wild rather than being captive bred and kept for an extended period of time on the coast. But there's no evidence that these birds would have just flown over the Andes, so people would have had to carefully transport them while navigating tricky mountain terrain and rivers. In fact, scientists have been able to use genetic data to try and pinpoint roughly where these birds would have been captured, and then mapping the potential routes these traders would have taken. And what it reveals is not just the lengths that people would go to get their hands on these highly prized birds, but also that pre-Inca societies were maybe not as isolated from each other as is often thought. These feathers tell the story of long-distance trade, connectivity, and coordination across dramatically different environments. And it's also a reminder that our fascination with parrots has really deep roots that go back centuries. And if you want to hear more stories like this, subscribe.